arched eyebrows, high arched cheekbones, full volumized lips, narrow pointy chin. What are some of the things that makes a female look beautiful? Hi guys, my name is Dr Haroon. I am a cosmetic doctor who specializes in non-surgical aesthetic treatments. In today's video, we will be discussing female beauty, what facial features make someone look more feminine, and what treatments are available on the market to enhance the feminine appearance of an individual. There are several different facial features that make an individual's face look more feminine and contribute to their overall beauty. As a cosmetic doctor, it's my job to understand what these facial features are and how they can be changed or enhanced to make someone look more feminine and enhance their physical appearance. Looking at the overall face shape, a feminine face shape is one which is V-shaped or heart-shaped from the front. Some people might also describe this as an oval face shape. The reason that females tend to have this face shape is usually because of high arched or wide cheekbones, a slimmer lower half of the face, and a narrow or pointy chin. These three features are the main contributors to a feminine face shape. Lips also play a big role in female beauty and attractiveness, which is probably why it's been one of the most popular cosmetic treatments of the last decade. Lips come in all shapes and sizes, and there is no such thing as one lip shape which is the most beautiful. However, there are some universal proportions and features which make a pair of lips more feminine and more attractive. Feminine lips have more volume and plumpness across the body of the lips. The majority of the volume is focused on the middle 2/3 of the lip, which makes the lips look heart-shaped from the front. Generally speaking, the bottom lip will be slightly bigger than the top lip. However, a 50-50 ratio between the upper and the bottom lip can also look feminine depending on your ethnic background. Eyebrows can also enhance the feminine appearance of an individual's face. Feminine eyebrows are typically high-arched eyebrows where the outer aspect of the eyebrow is slightly higher than the middle aspect. This also gives the illusion of a more open and awake pair of eyes. Whenever someone looks at a female's face, they see and assess three things on a subconscious level: their overall face shape, their lips, and their eyes. Let's look at some procedures that can enhance the overall beauty of a female's face and make their face look more feminine. Cheek filler or mid-face filler is a very popular treatment amongst females of all ages. There are many different desired outcomes with this procedure. However, there are two main outcomes that people generally look for. One is to focus the volume on the outer aspect of the cheek, which gives the appearance of high arched cheekbones. This also increases the width of the upper portion of the face, which lends to a more V-shaped face shape, hence a more feminine face shape. The other outcome is to focus the volume on the front portion of the cheek, which enhances the apple of the cheek and gives it a more plump, rejuvenated appearance. Chin filler is an underutilized treatment, and for the right person, it can dramatically improve the overall face shape and make someone look more feminine. The two main outcomes for chin filler is to 1. Elongate the chin from the front, which makes the face shape more V-shaped and therefore more feminine. 2. Increase projection of the side profile to improve the balance of the nose, lips, and chin. Lip filler is one of, if not the most popular cosmetic treatments of the last few years, and when carried out correctly and with a detailed assessment, you can dramatically transform a pair of lips and give them a more feminine appearance. Moving away from filler and onto Botox. How can Botox make a face look more feminine and more attractive? Botox placed in the masseter muscle, which is one of the large chewing muscles around the corner of the jaw, can slim the lower half of the face. This procedure is commonly called face slimming Botox, and over time, this will lead to your face becoming more V-shaped or heart-shaped, which, as mentioned, is generally a more feminine face shape. This treatment, however, is not a quick fix and does require multiple treatments over the course of 6 to 12 months to yield best results. Lastly, on the list of treatments that can make someone look more feminine is a Botox brow lift. A small amount of Botox can be used to elevate the outer aspect of the eyebrow, giving the eyebrow a more arched or elevated appearance. This treatment is quite subtle and usually lifts the eyebrow by only a few millimeters. These feminizing procedures can be great treatments to enhance someone's overall beauty and to make them look more feminine. However, if these treatments are done on the wrong candidate or if the treatments are overdone, it can actually make an individual look less beautiful and even unnatural. Let's look at some of the treatments that you need to be slightly cautious with in order to avoid this from happening. The most common area that is overtreated is almost certainly the lips. We've all seen it, lips that look puffy and overfilled, lips that have lost their natural shape and contour, and lips that have migrated filler above and below the red-white border. Having full, plump lips is generally a desirable look. However, when too much filler is placed in the lips, it can distort the natural shape and cause the filler to migrate outside of the lip. Having bigger lips isn't a bad goal. However, you should never compromise the natural beauty of the lips in order to have bigger and bigger lips. A lip filler treatment should enhance the natural shape of your lips, and if required, you can subtly increase the volume and definition of the lips. Overfilling the cheeks with dermal filler can also cause a whole host of issues with someone's physical appearance. When filler is placed on the outer aspect of the cheek, it can make their face look more feminine by creating high arched cheekbones and give them a more V-shaped face shape. However, if too much filler is added, it can make their overall face shape look distorted. This can also give the illusion of hollow temples, which is a sign of aging, hence it can make the person look older. Cheek filler can be an amazing, beautifying and rejuvenating treatment. However, you should be cautious not to overfill this area, especially if you're a young female. One last note about female beauty and what treatments might make someone look more feminine and attractive. There are some women out there that go against every single beauty rule, proportion and ratio that we've talked about today, and they are still bite the back of your hand beautiful. There really is no all-encompassing scientific ratio or rule that can capture or explain why some people are stunning. The beauty guides that we use should be just that, a guide, and not a perfect formula. This is why it's essential that a full facial assessment is carried out every time you see an aesthetic practitioner, and a bespoke treatment plan is formulated which is tailored to your specific goals and face shape. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions regarding these treatments or any other treatments that we offer, please get into touch. Thanks a lot guys, bye now.